Good morning to all of you MSc first year student. So today again welcome to lecture series on the quantum mechanics, and we want to see or continue our chapter is the angular momentum. And we want to see the point the what is the eigenvalue of the angular momentum and how it is calculated for the rising and lowering operator. Rising and lowering operator. Okay, and you know that, so that is the L clap plus operator, which is nothing but the Lx plus ILy, and L minus cap, so that is the lowering operator, which is nothing but the Lx minus ILy cap. Okay, and if you want to calculate the eigenvalue of this, so what is the bra and ket relation of this with respect to this L plus and L minus operator? So that L plus operator, okay, L plus operator, which is operates that the orbital angular momentum, so that is L, and spin angular momentum, so that value ms, so that is the L comma m, which is nothing but the some constant c of some constant c, which is L into m plus 1. Okay, so that is the for L plus L comma m, ket of L comma m, so that is c or ket of L comma m plus 1. So this relation, which is for the L plus cap operator, and next value, so that is the L minus cap operator value. So this is nothing but this L comma m, and that value is nothing but the some constant c or L comma m minus 1. Okay, and we want to see, for example, p state of electron, and you know that for p state electron the orbital angular momentum, so that is L is equal to 1, and ms value which is 1 0 and minus 1. So that consider, for example, for L for p state. Okay, for p state, and you know that in p state for the orbital angular momentum L is equal to 1, and the value of the ms, that is spin orientation, which is considered as 1 0 and minus 1. Okay, and that state value we have to know that how it is right. So for the p state electron, so that is the L comma m is nothing but L comma m is nothing but the value which is considered as the first, that is the highest state, that orientation, which is L is equal to 1, and this ms is equal to 1. Again, next, which is considered as L is equal to 1 and ms is equal to 0, so that is the state considered as ket 1 comma 0, and lowest state, which is considered as L is equal to 1 and ms is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this 1 state, which is considered as, this is the highest state, and this is considered as the lowest state of the configuration is there. Okay, and simple, we have to calculate the L plus operator and L minus operator, and we have to get the complex combination of this, so that is going to 0. How it is? So for example, have to consider, so that is the L plus of highest state which is equal to 0. Okay, so that means that, so that is the L clap of 1, so that L comma m is equal to 0, or for example if you have consider, so that is the L plus cap is operates on the state 2 2, so that is the same state, that is highest state is equal to 0, and how it is calculated will be see further in next time. But so this is the example for the highest state. Okay, and if you consider for the lowest state, so that is the L minus cap of the lowest state, so that value is equal to 0. Okay, so that is considered as L cap of minus L comma 1 m, so that is equal to 0. And for example we have to see that L cap of minus 2 comma minus 2 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So for example if we take the L plus operator, so that L plus operator is nothing but, so L comma m is nothing but the some constant C, or in bracket L comma m plus 1. Okay, so this, and if we take the complex conjugate it, so complex conjugate of this relation, so this is bra L comma m plus 1, bra L comma m plus 1 of the L minus, so that is operates on this, so this is L comma m. Okay, complex conjugate of this, or L minus operator, that is the C star of L comma m plus 1. Okay, so this is the complex conjugate of this L plus cap. And if we solve this relation, okay, if you take this complex conjugate, so that is bra of L comma m plus 1. Okay, and if we solve this complex conjugate relation, so that is taken as here, so this L comma m, bra of L comma m, which is operates on this complex conjugate, that is the L minus cap, L minus cap, L plus cap, and this is the L comma m. Okay, and this is nothing but, so that is the C star C, that is nothing but the mod of C square. Okay, so that is considered as the mod of C square, and this value which is considered as L comma m plus 1, or this relation with state of L comma m plus 1. Okay, and you know that, so this is mutually perpendicular to each other, so that orthogonal condition, so L comma m plus 1 and L comma m plus 1, so this is nothing but the 1, this is nothing but the 1. Okay, so that relation which is obtained here, this we want to solve this, what is the value of this mod C square, so that is nothing but, so L comma m of L plus cap, sorry, L minus cap or L plus cap of L comma m is equal to mod of C square. Okay, and we want to calculate the value of mod of C square, and this mod of C square is nothing but the expectation value of this L minus cap and L plus cap. Okay, and already we have to calculate this value L plus cap and L minus cap and L plus cap, so that is the expectation value of Lx square minus, sorry, plus Ly square minus h cross of Lz minus h cross of Lz. Okay, And if we take the separate expectation value of this Lx square, Lyz and Lz, so first of all you know that, so capital L square is nothing but Lx square, Ly square and plus Lz square. So this is written as the L square minus Lz square, okay, and minus this H cross of Lz cap, okay. And if we put separate eigenvalue of this, so this is the L square expectation of Lz square minus H cross of expectation of Lz operator, okay, expectation of this Lz. And you know that, so this, what is the value of this L square, Lz square and Lz, which is we want to can be written as here. So that is expectation of L square is nothing but the H cross square L into L plus 1, okay. Again, so this expectation value of this Z square is nothing but the M square H cross square, M square H cross square, and the expectation value of Lz, which is nothing but the H cross M, okay, or which is minus H cross square M, okay. So put this expectation value in this relation, so we got the relation. So this is the H cross square L into L plus 1, L into L plus 1 minus Lz square eigenvalue, which is the M square H cross square, and again this value which is nothing but the H cross, and this is the value, so that is the minus H cross square into M, okay. So if we calculate this value, so that final calculation which is given out here, so we want to write here this value, what is the result of this. Okay, here what, minus M square H cross square, here H into minus H cross square M, and if we do calculation of this, so that final result will become here, so that is the mod of C square is equal to H cross is taken outside, so that is the H cross square into L plus 1, okay, and minus M into M minus 1, okay. So this is the mod of C square value. If we taken the square root of C, so that C is equal to H cross into under root of L into L plus 1 minus M into M minus 1, okay. And if you put this value in the original equation, so that original equation is what, or so that L plus cap, okay, is equal to mod of C into ket of L into M plus 1, okay. Okay, you know that, so that L plus of operator of L comma M, which is nothing but the C into L comma M plus 1, okay. And if we putting this value in this relation, so this L plus cap of L comma M, so that is the formation of the angular momentum this. So this C value is nothing but the H cross of under root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1, or taking value of this L comma m plus 1. So this is the formation of the angular momentum for the rising operator. Okay, now we want to see here the second relation, so that is L minus cap of L comma m is nothing but the C into mod of L comma m minus 1. Okay, and how it is solved? If we take the complex conjugate of this relation, so which is nothing but complex conjugate of this relation, take here. So this is the ket of L comma m. Okay, so here L minus is there, so that here L plus. Okay, so that is the complex conjugate of this, and this is nothing but the C star of, that is complex conjugate of is, and this is nothing but the L comma m minus 1. Okay, and if you taking this relation, so we have to get result here. So multiplication of these two, so result coming here. So this L comma m of L plus or L minus ket of this L comma m. Okay, and this is nothing but the mod of C square ket bra of L comma m minus 1. Okay, and L comma m minus 1. Okay, and you know that the result of this, which is nothing but the 1. So that result, this L comma m of L plus L minus of ket of L comma m is nothing but the mod of C square. So we want to solve this. What is this mod of C square? Is nothing but this L plus and L minus, expectation value of this L plus and L minus, and the expectation value of this, which is nothing but the Lx square plus Ly square plus h cross of Lz cap plus h cross of Lz cap. And if you this solve, so this is nothing but the expectation of L square minus Lz square plus h cross of Lz cap. Okay, and if you solve this separately, that relation, so expectation value of L square minus expectation value of Lz square plus h cross is taken outside and Lz value is here. And if you solve this bracket, so that we have to get that the relation, the expectation of L square is nothing but the h cross square L into L plus 1. So this mod of C square is nothing but the h cross square L into L plus 1 minus h cross square m square, and this minus plus h cross into minus h cross square into m minus h cross into m. Okay, so if you calculate this value, okay, so that final result will become here. So this h cross square L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1 minus m into m minus 1, So this is the value of mod of c square. If you taking square root of this value will get here h cross into under root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1. Okay, and you know that we have to calculate, so that is L minus cap of operator L minus L comma m, which is nothing but the c into L comma m minus 1. So this for lowering operator, putting the value here, so that is the L cap of minus, which is ket of L comma m, which is nothing but c value is the h cross under root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1, and this relation, so that is the ket of L comma m minus 1. Okay, this is our second result. Okay, and finally we want to write both of this relation for the rising and lowering operator. How calculate the operator of the L plus and L minus, and using of this we want to calculate or to solve the relation between the or matrix solution of this operator. So write down the result of this, which is useful for the next lecture. So L plus comma m, which is nothing but the h cross into under root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1 of the ket of L comma m plus 1. Okay, so this is first relation of the rising operator, and second L minus cap of L comma m is nothing but the h cross into under root of L into L minus 1 minus L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1, and the relation taken for here L comma m minus 1. Okay, because you know that the value, what is this L plus 1 m plus 1, so this is for example for p state, for L is equal to 1 and m value which is running from 1 0 minus 1, so m plus 1 is nothing but for example first state m is equal to 1 plus 1, so that is 1 comma 2, and this relation is obeys for 1 comma 2 and bra of 1 comma 2 ket of 1 comma 2, it is the eigenvector, so that is equal to 1, and if you take the other value, so that becomes 0. So using of this relation we want to solve in next how the matrix representation or Pauli spin matrices of the angular momentum, and also see the spherical harmonic relation of with respect to the angular momentum. So thanking of you.